We're in the aviary right now. Hi, little cutie. Hi, little cutie bird. Chi-Chi say hi. They're just flying around us. Up there. Hi, cutie bird. What's he doing over here? What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Huh? Little fatty fat. Oh, you're adorable. Oh my gosh, you're adorable. They're just flying everywhere. Stop. Gosh, they're everywhere. Hi. Oh, the male's outside with the baby. Aw. That's so sweet. Such a good dad. Oh, he's keeping it nice and warm.
It's where you'll be. Laughing, loving, living free. Tuning out, don't miss a beat. Every vlog a special treat. From the peaks to oceans deep. Every moment memories we keep. Spices flying, flavors blend. Cooking tales that never